Hello friends and welcome back to yet another video on infographic designing. So in this video we are going to create a 4-step infographic. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by creating the basic shape that I want to achieve. For that, first, as you can already see, I have drawn a rectangle, and on top of that I will now draw a circle which would give me the basic shape that I want to achieve. So here is the circle. There you go. I'll select these both and align them horizontally, and then I will select this circle. I'm going to set the offset path. For that, I'll go to path and then to offset path, and then I'm going to choose, I think 10 pixels should be fine, or maybe 20. I think 20 is fine. Yes. So now I'm going to make adjustment to these circles. I'll start by adding the color. I'll first add the orange color to the lower circle, and then I'll select these both and set the stroke to none. I'll also give an orange color to this. Just need to invert this to none. So I have the rectangle in orange color, the lower circle in orange color, and now I also need to work on the circle below. As you can see, I have added stroke and I'm increasing its weight, so this will give me this outline, as you can see here. Now let's get to this smaller circle. Press Alt Shift and reduce its size. Yes, this is nice. Now I need to add a drop shadow to the circle. For that, let's go here in the appearance panel, and from the effects, go to stylize and drop shadow. I'll use the normal mode. It's multiply right now, and I think I'll also increase the blur. I'll set this higher. I think, yes, this is fine. Around 10 pixels, this is wonderful. So I have the drop shadow, so I have the basic shape ready with me now. Next, I'll add a gradient to the rectangle. I'll also speed up the process a little bit for you so that you're able to understand it quickly. I've added a linear gradient. Now I will add 3 points and start giving them colors. I'll start off with this orange, and now I'm going to add a darker shade and then again an orange. So as you can see, I'm trying to achieve here a lighter color tone with the second color, and then I'll go with the third color. This is a little bit towards the left. Let's make the first color lighter, shift things around, bring it in. Yep, this is fine with me. So you can see the gradient start with the lighter tone, then a bit of a darker, and then a bit of the shape. Now I have added the vertical line. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this graphic, group it together, and I'll make 4 copies of it, because all I want to do is I will create a 4-step process. Shift Alt and drag down, Shift Alt and drag down. So there you go. As you can see, I have added these extra shapes. I've center aligned them properly and set them to equidistance. Now it's time for me to work on the text. So I'll write the word step 1, increase the size. It's all eyeballing. I'm trying to check with different sizes and shapes and the different types, kind of eyeballing it here, but I think I'll center align it properly. I'll select the circle below here, need to ungroup this and select the text, the circle below, and then simply choose the circle for alignment and aligned it properly. Now I will drag down this text. Whoops, I need to go up and drag it down, and I will write 01 as if it is step 1, because there are 4 of these infographics. So it's step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and also the matter for headings and whatever somebody who wants to create multiple steps to give somebody instructions in a colorful way. That is what I'm trying to achieve here. So now I'm adding the text. I've speeded it up the process so that you don't have to go through it slowly, but it's pretty simple to follow. As you can see here, I'm just adding text, changing the size, changing the color, changing the style, and with this we have one graphic ready. Now I have aligned it to the center of the artboard, and now I'm just going to copy, drag it down, drag it down. I'll first edit this, ungroup it, and then change the, I'll ungroup this as well, center align it, properly ungroup this as well, center align it. Now I'll add the step numbers 2, 3, and 4. I'll also copy paste the text on here. I'll align it to the right and bring it down here. So now I think it's pretty much ready. If you want, you can change colors, etc., and make it your own and use this whichever way you want to give information to the people in a colorful infographic style. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching for more, and please don't forget to subscribe.